In this video, we're going to cover how to combine, share, and transfer Citi ThankYou Rewards points. Combine your Citi ThankYou Rewards points across your accounts by first logging into your account. On the right side of the page where you see your name, there is a drop-down menu. Click that and then you'll see Manage My Account, and then underneath that you'll see Combine My Accounts. Click Combine My Accounts and you'll be able to combine your Citi points across all of your Citi accounts. Similar to Capital One, you can share Citi ThankYou Rewards points with any ThankYou Rewards member. You can share up to 100,000 points per calendar year, and the points that are shared expire 90 days from the date of the transfer. After logging into your account, you'll click on More Ways to Redeem and Points Sharing, enter your recipient's details, and share your points. And lastly, you can transfer Citi ThankYou Rewards points to its airline and hotel partners. Log in to your account, click on More Ways to Redeem, click Points Transfer. On the left side of the page, you will see the loyalty programs that are partners of Citi ThankYou Rewards. Once you've selected the partner you want to transfer your points to, click the blue Continue button on the right side of the page. There you have it. That is how to combine, share, and transfer Citi ThankYou Rewards points. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.